The railroad time capsule takes you back to Decatur, Alabama, the year 2000. We are right at the bridge, right at the purple dot. Or is that red? As you can see, there's the old L&N and Southern crossing the bridge. Of course, Southern is now Norfolk Southern. L&N, CSX, who had trackage rights over the bridge. It's owned by Norfolk Southern now. To the east is Chattanooga. To the west, Memphis. So it's a very busy line. Now on to the L&N. Also quite active, connecting New Orleans with Nashville and Louisville. All right, it's off to the trains. Which will this first one be? Norfolk Southern or CSX? Let's see if you can tell by the engines. Moments later, looking south. This appears to be a local, probably working some industries along the river. Approaching the bridge from the south. Well, it's the end of this train and video too.
The railroad time capsule now returns you to your present year. Where will the railroad time capsule land next? Why not subscribe and find out?